Hello everybody, if you don't know me, my name is Javon. I also go by Von's Fits on Depop, and today we're going to be doing a wholesale vintage mystery box unboxing, and we're going to see at the end of the day if it's worth it, or if you should stick to the bins, or if you should just stick to the racks. So stay with me and I'll let you know what we find. Alright, so starting off, I actually got my box from NickNackVintage. You can find them on Instagram, Depop, YouTube. I came across a video that he was actually doing wholesale boxes. He's gonna try to shift away from Depop, and so I figured since my Depop business has been kind of booming, why not, scoop a wholesale box off him and see what we can find, and hopefully there's some value in it. So I decided to start off with wholesaling kind of small. I decided to just get the $150 box. There's about 35 to 40 items in there. I've actually never bought a wholesale box before. I usually just stick to the racks and the bins, but I decided to mix things up a bit. I'm on like this Depop top seller program right now, and I have to just like push out a bunch of items, so I decided to grab a wholesale box, make it easier so I don't have to be at the bins, at the racks every day. So we're gonna see what we can find in here. We're gonna see if there's any profit, like what it's looking like, and hopefully we find some good things. I'm a little excited. This is my first box, so if there's a little excitement when I see these items, just bear with me. But enough talking, let's get straight to the box. It's been sitting here for like a day and I've been super eager to get in. I wanted to get like an authentic reaction, so I haven't actually looked at any of the items in there yet. I opened it up and I could see like a couple things on the top and whatnot, but I really want to get into there, see what's at the bottom of this. So here we go. Alright, so starting out, I already see a heater, I'm not gonna lie. We got a Michigan Football is Life sweater on a nice Made in USA tag, something slight, and ooh, it's also got the 1994 hit. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a little hit that says 1994, so we got something from the 90s. Shout out. We got the sticker, the NickNackVintage sticker, so. Alright, next up we got the Who Let the Dogs Out Woof Woof Bahamas shirt. This is kind of dope. Drive in Charlotte. Oh shit, Charlie's Shakin' Fries. What is this on? Alright. This is the ultimate frozen yogurt. And then on the back we got the nice little decent hit, some slight, just regular. Just regular out here. Okay, I'm not quite too sure what this is. This don't look like a crop top, you sure? I'm not gonna lie to you. That one was like maybe like a 3 out of 10, but I like the color, I guess. Next up, we got another champion shirt. Size large. I kinda like this. Vintage Nike polo with a slight V-neck. On the color. Okay. So if you like it, just let me know in the comments. Might be able to throw you a little deal if it's still available. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling this one. Okay. Ooh, hold on now. I'm gonna keep it 100. He sent me an all-around NASCAR Jeff Gordon. Ooh, no tag, but this is still a hitter. Is there any? I'm trying to figure out if there's any year marks on it. Ooh, this is a hitter. I'm not even gonna lie. Bob Marley. It's a medium on a Zion. New York Giants long sleeve. Size XL. Not bad. I'm kind of feeling it. Okay. Alabama, the American Farewell Tour 2003. I'm actually kind of feeling the back. Low key more than the front. Like I like how they did the dates. Like, I've never bought a wholesale box before. If you average it out, I spent about like $5 on each shirt, so that's not bad. It was $150 plus $57 shipping, so all in I'm about like $207 in. Yeah, each shirt's about like $5, but let's see what this one is here. Must have stepped on a duck. We got the 1990 hit on it. I don't know if you can see that, but You know, the hits are always something to look out for. People go crazy about the little 1990, the little tag, like the little small lettering on the shirt. It gives it like way more value, to be honest. This shirt is low-key thrashed. Like, it's really thin. Oh shit. Yo, this is kind of crazy, yo. I was looking at the front because the front's kind of plain, but the back kind of goes nuts. I think it's like an extra large. I don't know, this one might be a personal, you dig? Alright, next up. Oh, this is Nautica. Okay, I'm feeling that. Long sleeve. It's kind of like too crazy. I like the color. It's like in between brown and burgundy. A little bleach shade. But this color is like unique. Like, you definitely don't see that every day. 1963. I'm not finna read all that, to be honest. Okay. Listen, I thought I heard a buck snort. I like the way they spelled thought. You know, they spelled it like the new age thought. Like, they was on to something back in the day. Like, how they even know? Joe Fix It. Yeah, nothing on the back. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied though with the box. Not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical. I watched a couple unboxing videos. I forgot what the girl name is, like Lucky Match Vintage or something. She got scammed. Like, that was probably like the funny. I had watched that just before I made this video, so I was like hella nervous. I was like, damn, like, am I about to get scammed out of 250? Like, that's like a good amount of profit that I've already made so far. Like, I like this. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that tag goes crazy. Let me know in the comments, like, if my values are off, or like what you would value the shirts at. And if you think I'm valuing them too low, like, you can honestly come in, buy them off me, and then sell them for more. Like, you know, do what you gotta do. Like, if I don't know, then I'm feeling this one. It's got kind of like that American Thunder vibe to it. This is like, it's like a long sleeve, but it's kind of like a crew neck. It's weird. Like, I would classify it as a long sleeve, but it's the Green Bay 1997 Super Bowl. Okay, I'm feeling it. You know me, I'm a sucker for Hard Rock. Hard Rock Cafe San Juan, made in USA, Hard Rock tag. You know, something slight. You know what I'm saying? I'm a sucker for Hard Rock, cause I got kind of like Monaco Bay in my personal, low key. Then I got a Hard Rock. I don't know, like, there's something about Hard Rocks that are just like people love. It's kind of like a go-to right now. Okay, we see our first Harley XL with the skull. I've never seen that before. This one's not vintage. It has a 2019 hit right there, but I'm actually not mad. Like, anything I post that's Harley sells like in less than a week. It's crazy. I don't know like why the rage of Harley. I actually have, this is my favorite Harley shirt and my personal. I don't know why I just got like everything like ready to go, but this is my favorite Harley shirt right now that I have. Okay, the Packers. You dig? Number 7. Okay, 1990 hit too right there. Okay. The tag, okay. XL. I don't know. Is that Brett Favre? Let me know if I'm way off. Like, I played football my whole life, but I never was like. No, that's not. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know who that is. The nigga who played for the Packers, number 7 in 1990. We got the Billabong. I'm not even sure if niggas still rock Billabong, but this one actually might be a banger though. Like, if we're being honest, size large, like, niggas might actually pay top dollar. And when I say top dollar, I'm saying $20, $25. Umbro. Numero umbro. This is kind of decent. This is decent. Oh my god, this is low-key fire as fuck. Oh my god. The Pink Floyd. Oh my god, on the Tennessee River. This one might be a banger, I'm not even gonna lie. This one might be like a 40-50 ball. Yo, he went crazy. Hold on, I feel like I went too fast on that. Like, D. It's got the glowing eyes. I'm not mad at it. Tommy Hilfiger long sleeve, like, that's large. My long sleeves do kind of decent too, like Tommy hit on the side. Let's see. Green Bay Packers, and it's got the 1995 hit, hit. Printed in the USA, You know they started making vintage. Nothing on the back, by the way. They started making vintage. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't know really what I'm trying to say. Basically, before they started manufacturing overseas, they used to manufacture in the US. So that's why a made in USA tag is more valuable than like a made in China, or basically that's how you can determine vintage a little better if you're new to this. I just found that out not too long ago, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. I don't know how I feel about USA, but I do fuck with the Looney Tunes. This one, Hood River. But check me out. The Raiders versus Tampa Bay, 2003, so not bad. This is one of the heaters I saw in there. I'm like a big Hard Rock fan, and I've actually been to Vancouver, and I love the color on this. Like, if we're being completely honest, this one might be a personal. Like, it will go for the right price, but this might be a personal. Extra large, my size, everything. 1989 hit too. Fuck with me. This is another heater I had saw. Whew. 2009. Okay. Yo, this nigga gave me racing tees, bro. Like, he's filthy for that. This was a successful box. Last item. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a heater. Like, I think I saved last for least for. Just let me grab this shit. Okay. Yeah. I did. This is it. Who is that? Johnny? I'm not even sure. Johnny Mars. That shit goes crazy. Yo. It honestly kind of looks like it was signed up there, but really it's kind of like ink marks. But this one goes crazy. Super vintage vibe. Size large. This one's it. That one's probably my favorite one. See, best for last. That was it. Best for last. I'm very satisfied with my first wholesale box. At first I was gonna do a $250 box, but I wanted to just like ease into, like, just with every investment you should ease into it before you go all in. I know 250 is like not a lot for some people. Some other people 250 is like their life savings. For me, I just wanted to start with like the $150 box. It was like 207 after everything. Overall, I think I'm going to get some profit for this, some good profit. So I will probably make like a follow-up video to this one to show you guys how much I've made like so far from the items I've sold, or if I potentially sell them all out, I'll make an update video on my profit or my loss. Be on the lookout for that one. I definitely think this box is gonna profit. I paid $207 all in, so there's like a couple pieces that I know that I could recoup my money off, let's say off rip. So this was it. I will let you guys know how the journey goes. Thank you for watching, and this is unboxing wholesale vintage. Is it worth it? I think it's worth it. If you go to the right wholesaler, definitely advise you to go to NickNackVintage. I'm not sponsored or nothing like that. He's a cool guy to work with, super transparent, has good stuff, knows what he's looking for. He's been doing this for a while. I'm an advocate. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Javon. If you want any of these items, you can find them on my Depop at Vaughn's Fits, or you can also DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is Javon_Ned, just my first and last name. I do have a vintage Instagram page, but I'm actually growing it. It's not Vaughn's Fits, it's under something else. I keep it on the low until it's grown, and then I'm probably gonna switch the name to Bonds Fits. But right now, you know, it's got a couple thousand followers. I keep it on the low though, like I just maneuver in silence, and you know, out of nowhere you're gonna see like a 30,000 page Bonds Fits out of nowhere. Just wait, you know, I'm manifesting that one, so I should probably not keep that one on the low. But this was it, you know, the box. Got some inventory. If you guys want to shop, Depop, check me out. Peace.